We are going to read from caterpillar to butterfly again, and you have to have your listening ears on really good because I am going to ask you some questions at the end of it. You need to be able to give me the answers to the questions. Are you ready? Are your listening ears on tight? Here we go.
From caterpillar to butterfly. What do you know about butterflies? Many baby animals look a lot like their parents. A baby colt grows up to be a horse. A little cub grows up to be a bear. Do you know what a caterpillar grows up to be? If you said a butterfly, then you are right. A caterpillar looks nothing like its parents. How do caterpillars grow and change into beautiful butterflies? What is the process every butterfly goes through? A butterfly goes through 4 stages or steps in its life. Let's observe each stage. The first stage is the egg. Some butterflies lay eggs in groups, but the monarch butterfly lays just 1 egg at a time. The mother butterfly lays her eggs on plants. Her babies will eat the plants when they hatch. After about a week, the second stage begins. The caterpillar hatches from the egg. It is small and slender. It looks like a worm. The caterpillar is only as long as your fingernail. The caterpillar eats a lot and grows quickly. First, it eats its own eggshell. Then, it feeds on plant leaves. The caterpillar uses its strong jaws to munch on the leaves. It uses other parts of its mouth to smell and taste the food. As the caterpillar grows, it molts or sheds its skin. This happens 4 or 5 times. After a few weeks, the caterpillar has reached its full size. Now it is ready for the next stage, stage 3.
Did you hear one of our vocabulary words in there for this week? I heard slender.
The third stage is called the pupa. First, the caterpillar attaches itself to a plant. Next, it forms a hard case around itself. The case is called a chrysalis, or a cocoon. The chrysalis keeps the caterpillar safe as it gets ready for the final stage. The pupa stage lasts for many weeks. If you look closely at the pupa, you wouldn't see anything happening. But there is a lot going on inside the chrysalis. The caterpillar is changing and growing. It is becoming a butterfly.
Did you hear another vocabulary word? I heard the word attaches.
Stage 4 is the last stage. An adult butterfly pushes through the chrysalis and crawls out. At first, the butterfly rests for a while. It is tired and weak, and its wings are still wet. If you are curious, you can watch the butterfly from a safe distance. You can see the beautiful colors on its wings. Finally, the butterfly's wings dry in the sun. It flies away to look for food. After a few weeks, the butterfly is ready to mate. Then she looks for the right plant and lays her eggs. The process begins all over again.
I heard 2 vocabulary words for this week in that one. Did you hear any? I heard curious and I heard process. So these reading cards have all kinds of vocabulary words on them each week that we talk about. Okay, are you ready for the questions? Remember, I told you to have your listening ears on because I'd have some questions at the end. My first question is, what is the first step in the process of a caterpillar becoming a butterfly? What is the first step in the process of a caterpillar becoming a butterfly? The egg. Did you get that right? If so, give yourself a pat on the back. There is an egg before anything else because that's where the baby caterpillar forms, is inside the egg. Okay, are you ready for the second question? Here we go. A caterpillar forms a hard case after it attaches itself to a plant. What is the name of this hard case? I'll ask you one more time. A caterpillar forms a hard case after it attaches itself to a plant. What is the name of this hard case? Do you remember? It's a tricky one. It is a chrysalis. Everyone say that. Chrysalis. Good job. Nice work.